Annat, established in 2006, has been dedicated to the R&D and production of brake pads. As one of the few OE brake pad suppliers in China, Annat adheres to the corporate spirit of 1 centimeter wide, 10,000 meters deep, focusing solely on perfecting brake pads. Step by step, we aim to realize our vision of enhancing China's position in the global friction materials industry. With a total investment of 250 million RMB, our factory now covers an area of approximately 82,000 square meters and has an annual production capacity of 5 million sets. Backed by 17 years of brake pad R&D and production experience, along with the support of a core management and technical team, Annat ensures strong product quality. To date, we have provided products and services to 40 million vehicle owners worldwide. In the Chinese aftermarket, Annat operates with 2 major brake pad brands, both of which have gained customer satisfaction and recognition in various regions for their excellent product quality and performance stability. While we strive to achieve original factory performance, our goal is to eliminate sensory complaints, provide a comfortable driving experience, and ensure the safety of your loved ones. Safety creates the beauty of driving.